And then to see that's the whole point of you. The point of me? The point of me, what, to be a stress ball? All this time I thought I was the original. But I'm just something that you made up. You've got to live a happy, simple, normal life. But it was all a lie, wasn't it?
What? What does it matter? What, you want to remember the truth? That you had a mother that beat you? That hated you?
But you've gotten to live thinking that she loved you, that she's still alive. What are you talking about? She's alive. I speak to her every day. What are you talking about?
Dad called me after all these years about her shiva, and I couldn't.